So welcome to Multidisciplinary Unit of Research and Translation Initiative, MURTI. At GITAM, MURTI was established to foster interdisciplinary research and innovation. Now I want to pause and emphasize one key word, multidisciplinary. Why this is so important? Because meaningful research today does not happen in isolation. It happens at the intersection of the ideas, domains and the people. And at MURTI, this multidisciplinary approach is built on three strong pillars. First, academic multidisciplinary. We are uniquely positioned with 14 diverse disciplines within our university. This creates an ecosystem where experts from electronics, computer science, mechanical, civil, life sciences, chemistry and other departments come together. When these minds collaborate, research moves behind theory. It begins to solve real-world global challenges. This is where the innovation transforms into impact. When work done in labs translates into real-world change in the society. Second, the industry and the global collaboration. We actively collaborate with leading MNCs and global institutions. For example, through our partnerships with Infosys, Virya Technologies, Coventry University, we are working on next-generation mobility technologies such as software-defined vehicles. What makes this special is that students are not just passive learners, they actively participate through workshops, pre-organized industry events, and hands-on exposure. They learn directly from industry experts, bridging the gap between the academia and real-world applications. Third, the societal relevance and translation impact. A great example of interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary and translation research was during the COVID, where collaborators across domains enabled rapid problem solving from diagnostics to data analysis and predictive modeling. This reflects what MURTI stands for. Research that is not confined to publications, but one that directly impacts the society. Now let me talk about the infrastructure that powers this vision. MURTI spans across our three campuses, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam and Bengaluru. Offering state-of-the-art research facilities, we house over 240 plus advanced equipment systems with an investment of nearly 120 crores. This includes 500 MHz nuclear magnetic resonance spectrometer for dynamic studies of small molecules, polymers and biomolecules, scanning electron microscope for high-resolution images and detailed surface information of the samples, universal testing machines for material and structural analysis, D-space systems for autonomous vehicle simulation and real-time predictions. And what truly sets us apart, these facilities are not restricted for the faculty or PhD scholars. They are actively used by our undergrad students and PG students, making research as a part of everyday learning. Let me now share a few examples of impactful research happening at MURTI. The first one, real-time agriculture monitoring systems using AI and IoT. This helps the farmers to optimize the crop growth, irrigation, detect crop stress, and improve the yields. Second one, coral reef monitoring, underwater imaging research, leveraging computer vision and AI techniques to study marine ecosystems, support environmental conservation. Third one, AI-driven cancer research detection, enabling early diagnostics through advanced imaging analysis and deep learning models. And the next one is autonomous and intelligent transportation systems, including vehicle tracking, sensor fusion, predictive safety systems for just next generation mobility technologies, and many more. So what is the impact of MURTI on our students? It transforms them from learners into innovators. Students gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technologies. They work on real-world problems, not just classroom assignments. They collaborate across disciplines and industries, and most importantly, they develop a research mindset and a problem-solving ability. At MURTI, students don't just study engineering or science, they practice innovation. In conclusion, MURTI is not just a research center, it is a platform where ideas converge, disciplines collaborate, innovation translates into real-world impact. It is where the future is not just imagined, but actually built.